So, what is up, guys? We're back for another video. I'm sorry that I didn't upload for 2 days. 2 days.
Guys, if you know,
It's not funny. What bro?
guys, did you know Dana is a monkey?
What the hell, bro? You just said my name. Bad boy. Ah! I'm gonna kill you. Easy. Come on, boy.
Halika dito.
Come on, boy.
Halika dito. Mama, I'm a shark boy. Oh, yes, yes.
Oh, come on, bro. Oh, come on, bro. Okay. Boom. Get demolished, kid. Get demolished.
Boom, Shaddy. Boom,
Oh, my. I'm gonna kill you. What you mean?
Peter.
What you mean you're better?
Boom, Shaddy. You're not gonna hit me with a lamp. Boom, Shaddy.
I suck at item asylum.
Just because you suck like a monkey.
Hindi nagwari.
Monkey, I'm just gonna emote on you, my guy. Ay. You know
What
what?
you just say?
Boom, Shaddy.
Why is there a blade ball here?
Boom, Shaddy. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, I need to reload.
Okay.
What you gonna do? Ay, nako! Sige na. Boom, Shaddy.
You're getting the kills, bro. I don't know why.
That's because you suck. Boom, Shaddy.
Whoa! Stop.
Boom, Shaddy.
Ah! Maybe I'll change my channel to Frustrated Daniel. It's true.
Patulad na frustrated gamer.
How you know that guy?
Oo, alam ko.
What the hell, bro? Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna fly. Ay! Amoy!
What the?
That was very mean!
Demolish you. Hasley.
Ay!
Oh, nalilipad.
Boom, Shaddy! Boom, Shaddy! Boom, Shaddy!
No! I almost killed you, bro.
I'm gonna fly this jet. Wait, where did it go? Boom, Shaddy! Boom, Shaddy! Isang health ka lang, Danger! Patay ka na! Ay, nahulog ako!
Why? Ako yung
Okay,
nakapatay
that's it.
sa'yo.
I'm becoming boldy.
Where are you?
I'm becoming boldy.
Ah!
I become boldy. Come here. Here.
Ah! Bro, what am I doing?
I'm boldy. I'm boldy. Nice to
What
meet
the
you.
hell? Hi, Polly. Nice to meet you. Dead.
Wait, what? Ano to? Get him! Go!
Woo!
Ay! Oops, sorry. Ay, namatay ako.
Uy, nagtatagalog tayo. Patay.
Kasi, I'm going to be the blink.
Sorry
Okay.
for that, guys. We're language, which is Tagalog.
I speak Tagalog. I speak Tagalog. Come here. Okay, that's it.
Goodbye, everybody. See you in the next
I speak
one.
Tagalog.